Hare Krishna. We are all dependent on faith to live in life. At every moment in life, we need faith. When we travel from one place to another, when we board a bus, we have faith that the driver has license and the driver is not drunk. When we travel on flight, we have faith that the pilot has its license and there is no terrorist who has hijacked that plane. When we go to a surgery, we have faith in the doctor. In fact, even when we go to a barber, we have faith that the barber will do our shaving properly. In life, we need faith in every aspect of life. Similarly, even in spiritual life, we need faith. This is not blind faith, but reasonable faith. When we have faith in the scriptures, in the great saints, then we can meet perfection. When something is beyond our logic, beyond our mind and senses, we need to have trust and put faith. In the Ramayana, you have this beautiful example of Hanumanji. When Hanumanji reaches the shore of Rameshwaram and he is told that 100 yojanas away is an island of Lanka where Ravan has taken Sita. Hanumanji had faith in the words of Sampati, the elder brother of Jatayu, who could actually see that island. Hanumanji couldn't personally see it, but he had faith in someone who could see it. And Hanumanji had faith in Jambavan, who told Hanumanji, yes, you have the capacity to jump 100 yojanas. Based on that faith, Hanumanji takes this leap and he actually meets Sita, gives her the message and comes back. And that is the result and that is the reason why we all celebrate the success of Hanuman. Because he took that leap of faith. Just like in Bible there is a saying, if you have faith as that much as the size of a mustard seed, if you tell a mountain to move, it will move. And that is the power of faith. Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of ISKCON, at the age of 70, he went to the West to start an entire movement without any money, without any contacts, only based on faith. He had full faith in the words of his spiritual master. His spiritual master told him, preach this message of the Gita in the Western world, and he had full faith in the holy names of God. Just with these two things, the faith in the words of his spiritual master and faith in the holy names of Krishna, he went to the West and he really brought about a huge revolution in the entire world based on this faith. That is why in the Vedic scriptures we have this mantra, Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayate girihim yatkripa tamaham mande Shri Guru dinatarinam. So this verse says that if you have faith in the words of your Guru, in the words of the scriptures, a dumb man can speak poetry. A lame man can cross over mountains based on faith. In Krishna Leela, we find that when there was this huge forest fire in Vrindavan and all the cowherd boys and all the cows were caught in this forest fire, they all turned to Krishna with full implicit faith in him and pray to Krishna that, my dear Lord, you please help us. And Krishna tells them something surprising. He tells them that all of you close your eyes and visualize as if there is cool breeze blowing here. Imagine if you are in the place of the cowherd boys, there's a forest fire, you are amidst that forest fire and Krishna is telling you, close your eyes and lie down. Who will do it? But the cowherd boys had faith. Whatever Krishna says, let us have faith in him. And the result is, Krishna drunk the entire forest fire. We have the Govardhan Leela. When the Vrajavasis were annually offering their puja to Indra, this was their annual puja to Indra, Krishna tells them, stop the Indra puja, let us offer puja to the Govardhan hill. The Vrajavasis had full faith. This is the definition of faith. Shraddha Shabde Vishwasa Kahe Shraddha Nishtai Krishna Bhakti Kaile Sarva Karma Krita Hai. The definition of faith is, if I do bhakti to Krishna, if I surrender to the Lord will take care of everything. So the Vrajavasis had full faith. They stopped Indra Puja. They started to do Govardhan Puja. And Indra became so angry, he started to pour heavy rains, torrential rains of destruction. But Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill and saved the Vrajavasis. And we have, during the birth of Lord Krishna, when Krishna was born in the prison house of Kamsa, and Vasudeva, the father of Krishna, was chained by prisons in this prison house. As soon as Krishna was born, Krishna gives an order to Vasudeva, please take me to Gokul. Vasudeva is not asking Krishna, you are telling me to take to Gokul, how will I take you? I am still bound by chains. There are security guards here, there are so many prison houses here. How will we go through? He had faith that just carry out the will of Krishna, things will happen in life. So similarly, all of us also need to develop this kind of faith. Faith in God, faith in the scriptures, faith in the saints. And when we do this, we too can bring about transformation in our lives and make an impact in the world. Thank you. Hare Krishna.